1. 1973 Plymouth Barracuda. Price: $65,000. Located Cassopolis, Michigan. This 1973 Plymouth Barracuda is a professionally built street and show machine powered by a supercharged 440 big block and paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Finished in striking Dodge Tangerine Orange with a black interior, this car delivers both aggressive styling and serious performance. With only 3,000 miles driven since completion, it remains in excellent condition with no rust and no shortcuts taken during the build. Approximately $50,000 in parts were invested, and receipts are included. The 440 engine is bored 30 over, features a square deck block, steel crank, SCAT H-beam rods, Pro blower pistons, and a Comp Cam XE295 HL10 camshaft with impressive lift and duration. Completely rebuilt 906 heads, a BDS 871 supercharger, and dual 750 Edelbrock carburetors help produce nearly 700 horsepower on 93-octane pump gas. Backing the engine is a 4-speed transmission with pistol grip shifter, center force dual friction clutch, and an 8 3/4 posy rear with 3.23 gears. Coated headers and a full 3-inch exhaust complete the drivetrain. This Barracuda is a multiple first-place show winner and a true head-turning American muscle icon ready for its next owner. 2. 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle Supersport. Price: $28,500. Located Gentry, Arkansas. This 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle Supersport is an authentic SS model that retains its original body panels, factory bumpers, emblems, and interior, making it a highly desirable example of early 70s American muscle. Finished in bright yellow with a black interior, this Chevelle stands out with classic styling and strong road presence. Showing 115,000 miles and equipped with an automatic transmission, it carries a clean title and is reported to have no significant damage or major issues. The car is well optioned with power steering, power front disc brakes, factory air conditioning, F41 performance suspension, box control arms, and a 12-bolt rear end. It also features its original blacked-out headlight and turn signal bezels along with a 4-spoke sport steering wheel. While the 350 engine currently installed is not the factory original unit, it runs strong and dependable. A non-factory vinyl top and stripes were added later to enhance its classic muscle appearance. After sitting for more than 30 years, this Chevelle was carefully brought back to running and driving condition with new fluids, brake components, fuel system parts, carburetor, windshield, and like new tires. It is a solid, honest super sport ready to be enjoyed on the street. 3. 1998 Chevrolet S10 Twin Turbo. Price: $35,000. Located Lancaster, Ohio. This 1998 Chevrolet S10 has been transformed into a serious drag and drive machine built for high horsepower street and strip performance. Finished in green and showing 12,345 miles, this truck features a 5.3 iron block stroke to 363 cubic inches with a 4-inch stroke crankshaft and 6.125 K1 connecting rods. Summit pistons, PRC 2 20-cylinder heads, and a Holley mid-rise intake complete the strong foundation. The combination is boosted by twin 7,875 VS turbochargers supported by a 417 intercooler, icebox system mounted in the bed, MagnaFuel fuel pump, aeromotive regulator, and 210 injectors. Engine management is handled by a Fueltech FT550 and the setup is tuned on E85 for maximum performance. Power is transferred through a Turbo 400 transmission with trans brake and PTC converter to a 9-inch rear end equipped with 3.70 gears and 33 spline axles. Suspension and safety upgrades include QA1 double adjustable shocks, Caltrac bars, split monoleafs, aerospace brakes, beadlock wheels, removable parachute, and a certified cage capable of meeting 8.50 class requirements. This is a fully sorted, race-ready truck built to perform consistently. 4. 1989 Ford Mustang Fox Body Race Car. Price: $26,000. Located DeSoto, Missouri. This 1989 Ford Mustang Fox Body is a back-half race car purpose-built for big tire drag competition. Designed with a ladder bar rear suspension setup, it offers the strength and geometry needed for serious straight-line performance. Under the hood sits a massive 632 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine that has been dyno tested at 1,145 horsepower on 120 race fuel. The engine was professionally assembled by Bullet Racing Engines using high-quality internal components, with approximately $30,000 invested in the build alone. The car is also equipped with dual nitrous systems, although it has only made a limited number of passes and was barely tested on one small kit, keeping the overall package fresh and competitive. This Fox body presents in very clean, race-ready condition and is offered as a complete turnkey setup. It represents an excellent opportunity for racers seeking a proven high-horsepower platform without the time and expense of building one from scratch. Built strictly for the track, this Mustang delivers extreme performance potential in a lightweight and competitive chassis. 5. 1969 Chevrolet Nova Custom Z28 Tribute. Price: $49,900. Located Kansas City, Missouri. This 1969 Chevrolet Nova has been custom-built as the Z28 model that many enthusiasts believe General Motors should have produced. With fewer than 750 miles since completion, this fresh build combines classic muscle styling with thoughtful performance upgrades. Finished in sunflower yellow with a black vinyl top and fully restored black interior featuring houndstooth inserts, the car delivers an authentic late 60s performance look with custom detailing throughout. Power comes from a 383 cubic inch stroker small block Chevrolet V8, badged as a DZ302, paired with a 4-speed Muncie manual transmission. Performance components include an Edelbrock Performer RPM aluminum intake manifold, MSD ignition system, ceramic-coated long tube headers, and a full pipes Race Pro exhaust. A 12-bolt rear end with 4.30 gears ensures aggressive acceleration. Power steering and power front disc brakes provide comfortable drivability. The build also features a 1969 Camaro dash swap with console, SS 3-spoke with steering wheel, tilt column, Detroit Speed Mini Tub kit, upgraded shocks, and a custom D80-style rear spoiler. With new glass, trim, bumpers, and Mickey Thompson radial tires, this Nova is a highly detailed, one-of-a-kind pro touring-inspired muscle car. 6. 1978 Chevrolet Nova Coupe. Price: $7,000. Located Benton, Arkansas. This 1978 Chevrolet Nova two-door coupe is a street and strip-ready machine powered by a built 355 small block Chevrolet engine. Finished in black with a green interior, this car offers aggressive performance at an affordable entry point. Showing 5,000 miles and equipped with a manual transmission paired to a turbo 350 automatic with B and M slap shift setup, it is built for straight-line excitement. The 355 engine is balanced and blueprint with cast pistons 20 over, solid lifters, roller rockers, 296 XC comp camshaft, and 208 cubic centimeters Pro Max heads. A 1050 Holley carburetor and full MSD ignition system support the combination, which is set up for a 300 shot of nitrous. The car runs on 93 octane or E85 fuel. Additional upgrades include headers with 19-inch pipes, electric water pump, fuel cell mounted in the trunk, and line lock system. Power is transferred to a Ford 9-inch rear end with 4.10 gears, locker, and upgraded axles. With fiberglass components and a 2,300 stall converter, this Nova launches hard and straight, making it an exciting drag-oriented build. 7. 1970 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe. Price: $45,500. Located Rantoul, Kansas. This 1970 Chevrolet Camaro is a thoughtfully built street machine designed to be driven and enjoyed. Finished in gray with a black interior and showing 750 miles since completion, this car combines modern performance components with classic second-generation Camaro styling. It carries a clean title and is reported to have no significant damage or issues. Under the hood is a 6.0-based 402 cubic inch stroker engine featuring a Callie's crankshaft, K1 rods, Wisico pistons, custom grind Texas speed camshaft, and ported LS 3-cylinder heads. The engine is controlled by a Holley Terminator X Max ECU and was gapped for boost, offering strong future upgrade potential. Power is delivered through a TKX 5-speed manual transmission with an 800 horsepower rated clutch to a built 8.5 rear end with 3.23 gears. Suspension upgrades include Corvette C5 brakes, UMI control arms, sway bar, Viking double adjustable coilovers, UMI leaf springs, and performance shocks. Inside, the car features vintage air, upgraded audio, TMI seats, new carpet, and door panels. This Camaro blends modern reliability with classic muscle presence. 8. 1972 Chevrolet Nova drag car. Price: $32,500. Located Sioux Center, Iowa. This 1972 Chevrolet Nova is a purpose-built drag car that comes with a title and has only 300 miles driven since completion. Built for serious straight-line performance, this Nova features a powerful 555 cubic inch big block engine paired with a Powerglide automatic transmission, delivering consistent and reliable performance at the track. The exterior is finished in white, giving it a clean and aggressive race-inspired appearance that matches its competition-ready setup. Underneath, the car is equipped with a professionally installed 4-link rear suspension system combined with 4.56 rear gears, providing maximum traction and adjustability for hard launches. The chassis is built to handle substantial horsepower, making it a strong foundation for bracket racing or drag-and-drive events. The big block engine is described as having top-quality components throughout, ensuring durability and impressive output. This Nova is designed for racers who want a turnkey drag package without the time and expense of starting from scratch. With minimal miles since the build and a proven high-performance configuration, it represents an excellent opportunity for anyone looking to compete with a well-sorted classic Chevrolet platform. 9. 2005 Ford Mustang 10.5 drag car, rolling chassis. Price: $18,500. Located Columbia, Missouri. This 2005 Ford Mustang 10.5 drag car is offered as a fully built rolling chassis, giving buyers the opportunity to install their preferred drivetrain and go racing. Weighing approximately 3,050 pounds, this car has already undergone the expensive fabrication work required for serious competition. It features a certified 25.3 cage that was previously certified to 6.0 seconds and should recertify with ease. The suspension setup includes an AJEK member and A-arms, QA1 adjustable coilover struts with caster camber plates, front travel limiters, UPR control arms, custom anti-roll bar, Strange adjustable rear shocks, and Viking coilovers. A fully built 8.8 rear end with 35 spline axles, spool, and 3.55 gears ensures strength and reliability. Strange drag brakes are installed front and rear, along with a manual brake conversion and line lock. Additional features include Kirky race seats, lightweight steering column, removable steering wheel, arc switch panel, fiberglass hood, wired lighting, and wheels and tires included. This Mustang is race-ready and built for serious 10.5 competition. 10. 1979 Pontiac Firebird Coupe. Price: $25,000. Located Millstadt, Illinois. This 1979 Pontiac Firebird is a purpose-built drag racing machine designed for serious performance and consistency on the strip. Finished in eye-catching yellow, this coupe carries the aggressive late 70s Firebird styling while being transformed into a lightweight chassis car focused entirely on competition. Showing 125,000 miles and equipped with an automatic transmission, this vehicle has been engineered far beyond stock configuration to handle substantial horsepower. Under the hood sits a massive 580 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine, delivering impressive power and torque suitable for competitive drag racing classes. The engine is paired with a Glide transmission, a proven choice in drag racing for its strength, simplicity, and consistency during hard launches. Power is transferred to a heavy-duty Dana 60 rear end, known for its durability and ability to withstand extreme torque loads under race conditions. Weighing approximately 2,700 pounds without the driver, this Firebird offers an excellent power-to-weight ratio, contributing to strong acceleration and competitive elapsed times. The chassis setup is built strictly for racing rather than street use, making it ideal for bracket racing, grudge racing, or drag and drive style events. This 1979 Firebird represents a ready-to-compete race car with a powerful drivetrain combination and a lightweight, purpose-driven build. 11. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Drag Car. Price: $78,000. Located Mammoth Cave, Kentucky. This 1969 Chevrolet Camaro drag car is a professionally built outlaw class machine designed for serious competition. Built on a Stroop chassis by Maddox in 2019, this Camaro features a chrome moly double frame rail construction that provides exceptional strength, rigidity, and safety at high speeds. The chassis setup makes it an ideal platform for Outlaw 4.70 class racing, delivering both consistency and durability under extreme performance conditions. Powering this Camaro is a massive 706 cubic inch engine producing approximately 1430 horsepower. The engine was professionally built by PAR, a respected name in high-performance engine development, ensuring premium internal components and precise assembly. This combination is engineered for maximum output while maintaining reliability on race fuel. The drivetrain and suspension are purpose-built to handle the immense horsepower, allowing the car to launch hard and track straight down the strip. The car presents in like new race condition, reflecting careful ownership and maintenance since its construction. Designed strictly for competition, it offers the advantage of a modern chassis build combined with the timeless and aggressive body lines of the 1969 Camaro. For racers seeking a proven, high-horsepower outlaw platform without the wait time of a new build, this Camaro represents a serious opportunity.